Project Secret is an exciting collaborative project which will develop real breakthrough concepts and eventually practical solutions in oil-free screw compressor technology.
City University of London have invested significantly to set up a number of test cells for thermofluid research at City. We are reviewing one-year success and see the facilities that's being developed for the research, the labs, and meet the researcher team.
The first phase of this project is dedicated to understanding the physics of the flow within clearance gaps of rotating positive displacement machines, improving efficiency and performance and the reliability of these machines.
Phase 1 for me is all about setting the foundations for success, and I'm strongly encouraged by the progress we've made so far.
We have set up state-of-the-art laboratories in order to understand this physics, to provide the data for validation of our high-fidelity computational fluid dynamics.
Howden have worked closely with the team at City University to demonstrate the state-of-the-art in terms of measurement, modelling and experimental techniques. This groundwork will define the direction that the research will take over the next 4 years, so having Howden involved from the outset ensures that the project delivers outcomes which are of value to industry and make a real-world impact in reducing energy consumption.
We've formed a great team dynamic with a clear vision, and they're already beginning to develop ideas to solve long-standing challenges in the areas of heat transfer and clearance management.
Work Package 1 focuses on the development of Roots blower test rig to measure temperature and flow field in actual running condition of the machine. It involves the design of a data acquisition system for the measurement of machine operating conditions and optical measurement setup for velocity and temperature field measurement. As a part of Phase 1, optical Roots blower test rig is prepared along with new National Instrument-based data acquisition system. Infrared thermography and particle image velocimetry experimental test setups are designed. Necessary system components are purchased. At the end of Work Package 1, we have fully functioning optical Roots blower test rig with 2 different experimental technologies, which are necessary to start Work Package 2. The main objective of Work Package 2 is an experimental investigation of the leakage flow velocities and temperature in the clearance gap of the Roots blower. We have carried out infrared thermography test and measured surface temperature of the lobe in machine running condition. Infrared thermography data were processed and analyzed. PIV experimental setup is also completed and commissioning of PIV test setup is carried out. Obtained experimental results will be helpful to understand the flow physics of leakage flows. Also, this experimental data will be the benchmark case for the CFD validation.
Experimental research on leakage flows in PD machines is highly challenging, and it is essential to develop state-of-the-art numerical models that can provide data for better understanding of leakage flows alongside measurements. With this research need, the objectives of numerical investigation are to develop CHT models for twin screw compressors, validate them and use for design improvements. In Phase 1 of the project, 3D CFD models that are currently in practice were extended to include heat transfer to and from the metal components of the compressor. This was accomplished using customized numerical grid generator tool Scorch developed at City University of London. Numerical issues such as heat transfer timescale disparity and computational boundary conditions surfaced and have been identified to be tackled as the research progresses. A novel methodology of bidirectional system coupling was studied in order to use it in the context of evaluating leakage gap size variation due to thermal deformation of the rotors and the housing during operation. These developments have now enabled us to get into the details of flow physics, study interaction of the metal and fluid during compression, and validate the models using measure data. Such validated numerical models thus give us a baseline condition, which can then be used to perform design changes and evaluate with reliability how these changes will influence leakage flows and the overall compressor performance and operation.
The objective of Work Package 5 is to establish a unique information platform using Internet of Things technology.
We're doing this for a number of reasons. One of them is so we can store the data generated in a scalable, robust and secure location, but more importantly, once it's there, it means we can now connect the data to a number of tools that allows us to analyse it using state-of-the-art techniques.
During phase 1, we have managed to integrate IoT devices into the refurbished test rigs measurement system. This allows us to collect data remotely and carry out analysis in the cloud. In the bigger picture, it will provide us with a better understanding of clearance control, as well as view the future of the machine.
Personally, I was involved in the recruitment process of the PhD students and also the postdoctorates. Since the project got up and running properly, I've been heavily involved with Alexander Krupa on infrastructure architecture design of the connection and then the implementation, where we can now actually jump onto the City Edge device from the Howden facility in Renfrew. I've also been working with Thibaut Tam on instrument selection on clearance measurement, and looks like we've narrowed down the selection to 2 different types for further assessment. One short-term goal is now we've connected, we need to start transmitting the test data for visualization. The longer-term goal is pointing the machine learning techniques and the original equipment design models to the data generated to provide intelligence on the performance and health of the machines.
The objective of Work Package 6 is to explore technologies and techniques on how to measure that these operational clearances, to give us possibilities to basically control them later on and to change the operation of the machines. We were able to test 2 types of probes, eddy current probes and optical fiber probes. With optical fiber probes, we will be able to measure multiple parameters, not just the clearance of the machine, but also temperature and pressure within the clearance gaps, which will give us really an insight into the physics of flow within the gap and will give us a lot of options to conceptualize technique to implement that later on in a prototype machine.
Work Package 8 is dedicated to the design and implementation of a prototype of oil-free screw compressor, able to be modified to integrate new concepts developed in Work Package 7 and instrumentation studied and developed in Work Package 6. We have defined the specification and requirements of the prototype. We also select the prototype that we will use, and the rig is ready to test the compressor. This leads to a fully functional and easily adaptive prototype of compressor, as well as an operational test rig to test the compressor in various conditions.
The second phase of the project will be key in turning initial ideas and concepts into more definitive packages of research, which we can then begin to model using the tools and methods at our disposal.
We are looking forward to a huge amount of useful data coming from the experiments. This will combine with advanced modelling techniques to give us a detailed view of the factors that affect compressor performance and reliability. The really exciting part will be the development of novel concepts to improve machine design based on this new knowledge. We have some potential innovation routes in mind already, but in phase 2 these will be assessed and developed into specific machine features.
This firstly enables Howden to reinforce its position of the leader in fluid handling equipment.
The oil-free screw compressor is one of our key products for long-term growth and sustainability. We already have a great track record to build upon, and with this continual development of the technology and its applications, it represents a great opportunity for us to strengthen that.
Howden have an established oil-free screw compressor platform which has an extensive digital twin and CAD modelling supporting it. This allows us to rapidly evaluate new design concepts and roll them out quickly, making incremental changes to improve performance and reliability.
The best part about this is that we do not need to wait until the research programme is complete. We're already implementing some of the key learnings into our product development efforts and seeing the commercial benefit come through.
In the longer run, the project will ensure that Howden are at the forefront during the growth of the oil-free compression market that we anticipate in the coming years as industry transitions to cleaner, higher efficiency compressor technologies.
Ultimately, it will lead to a new generation of environmentally friendly, reliable and easy to maintain machines, which will help us with our race to net zero.